We are starting our class of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is trying to make us understand that organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today, because the organized self-employment ministry says that we should have a right of pension, fundamental right. We should have a right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. So our fundamental right. We should have direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be directly connected to ministry and budget. We have to understand that ministry and industry are same side of one coin, only the angle is different. We have to also understand that fiscal credit salary is the mirror of earning, and fiscal credit table fulfill this mirror in that view. And all this I have been explaining from 2001 in my book Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar, Truth Only Trumps Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. As we have annual budget 108 ministry, a railway budget 1 ministry, we also require organized self-employment ministry and budget, because the basic function we have already done. One vote has been organized. Now the second constitutional duty is that our one self income, self earning, 1 paisa which we are self earning, that should be organized through fiscal credit salary per month giver, election commission of India, because both are linked with each other. If we have documents, if we understand Amiteshwarism, if we understand documentarianism, automatically we will be able to sketch for ourselves a regular income, because without a regular income life is unorganized. Whether working in the private sector or working in the government sector, we require regular income, and this is fulfilled by the document and our honesty and sincerity. I am trying to make you understand organized self-employment ministry, because organized self-employment ministry is a requirement of today. In the various lecture and this book Truth Only Trumps, I am trying to explain that we Indians are reaching more than 120 to 130 crore population. We started from 1947 with 30 to 33 crore population, and today population has increased. Employment problem is there. We require a documented employment system by the help of the various mandir, unborn mandir which we have, so that we can be able to live organized. Our family member, we all are trying to live organized. As far as possible, we try to make arrangement wherever we think convenient, that this is convenient to work for us. But on national level also we require some effort, because this effort can only make us ourselves strong. Because we have to understand that if we will not respect self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit of one person, we are disgrading earning class. We are not promoting earning class, because earning is required by each and every person. We have to support in one way or other way. We have to understand that we are going out for earning. So we have to understand that time has come. Organized self-employment ministry and budget should be made for the country development. We have to understand someone has written Shiv Puran, someone has written Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, someone has written Constitution of India, someone has written ISBN books of Hindus, someone has written Sanskrit. Why this ideology has come? Because opinion and earning methods are different. A person having good capital, he can arrange everything. A person having less capital, he has to arrange by various methods. We have to understand that our stages of life is from 0 days to 18 years, 18 years to 32 years, 36 years to 46 years, and from 46 years to 58 years. And after that, retirements come and we start doing our self work. But in between that, we are either working with the industrial people, or by the government people, or we are searching for the job. In all these circumstances, we have to understand that we have to work hard. We have to regularize our salary. We have to regularize our income. Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, has tried to regularize the earning and tried to generate the concept of earning by regular income. In the regular income, in this book Truth Only Trumps, I am trying to explain these concepts. That organized self-employment which I have made in the book can be fulfilled by our trust, our faith, and our uniform ideology for working in different sector. We have to understand this, because organized self-employment ministry is trying to explain this fact. As I have told you, the election commission, the national movement has occurred by uniform development of the senior middle class and the lower income group people and the rich people who were unitedly working for the development of India. Again, population is increasing. Again, the same problem is coming. The ideology is clashing. The document is clashing. Again, we have to reinvent that ideology of 1947. We have to understand that our ancestors who has made Shiv Shakti Mandir, our ancestors who have made Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, our ancestors who have made ISBN, different books, our ancestors who have written Varshkrit, different Hindu god and goddess book, our ancestors who have written Adi Shakti Jagdamba book, our ancestors who have written the Constitution of India. We require to organize that ideology. For this, I have written Truth on Litrums from Sharadapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 9411761704. In order to discuss that we can make organized self-employment ministry and budget, we can generate trust, faith, and political party can support this, and this ordinance can be attached to the constitution. And like Election Commission of India, Union Fiscal Credit Salary Commission can be made by contributing our documents from our home. They have heard Amit Kumar Jha is making from Sharadapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. I want that you should understand this book, Truth on Litrums. How 6 family drama has been written in order to make everyone understand that we have been living in this environment from the ancient time. Every family has some merits and they try to develop that. Why we made schools, colleges? Because we wanted to study hard by organized manner. Why we made a Parliament of India? Because we wanted to discuss organized views of democracy. Now we want that we should make organized self-employment ministry. Amit Kumar Jha is telling by Truth on Litrums book that we should make organized self-employment ministry. There is difference between 30,000 above earner and 30,000 below earner, that we have to understand. 70% of the people are below 30,000 per month earner, and 30,000 people are above 30,000 per month earner. But in that 18% are indirectly earning 30,000 per month and 12% are earning directly. If we will understand this, we will definitely be able to make organized self-employment ministry. We have to respect fiscal credit salary, the new version of administration, documented administration. If you will try to put Amit Kumar Jha concept in your mind and experiment the administration, put the document of Shiv Shakti Mandir, A4 size page with Rashtrapati Bhavan ideology, Then second, you put the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir A4 size paper with Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and put Rashtrapati Bhavan ideology. Then you put Brahma Saraswati, the different Hindu ISBN A4 size page in front and put Rashtrapati Bhavan ideology. It is law and education. Then you put Durga Saptashti A4 size mandir in fourth place and put Rashtrapati Bhavan ideology. You will get a pure mother ideology in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then you put Varshkrit God and Goddess A4 size in fifth position. You will find that different Hindu god and goddess in that plate. And then by adding all these 520 into 5, you generate organized self-employment ministry in the sixth place and put the same paper of government 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100% and then put in that way. What you will find that we have 6 ideology in different 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan. We have tried to put in election commission. Every 5 years we have elections, and in that elections different political parties come and go. But before that 12 months, how we are passing below 30 years, below poverty line people, this we can easily understand. The 12 month and 12 month up till 5 means you can understand 70 month. 70 month people work, but since the money is not organized, therefore what happens, the people are not able to make understand, and by the time next election comes, irregular income has fully tortured 100 crore population of India. We can save by our unity in organized self-employment ministry documents by constitutionally adopting fiscal credit table system, a table which will be accepted by the government of India, the election commission of India, the parliament of India. If they understand truth only terms, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar book, organized self-employment ministry, which tries to organize 6 unborn family together by housing 6 family into one, and by organized self-employment ministry and budget, house-wise transfers people. And in lieu of that, regular income and self-employment government job is provided from 0 days to 18 years if any eventualities comes in the life, and from 18 years to 58 years to one and all in between constitutional platform 32, 46 and 58 years plus pension, and in between any person who is able to get a good job in private sector above 30,000, Ministry is in foot touch because ministry and industries are same. Only the difference is Shiv Puran visuality and Ramayana visuality. A person sees from the Shiv Puran angle and the other person sees from the Ramayana angle. And the documents changes. The vote changes. We have to understand life is unique. Organized life is a requirement of each and every poor, rich person and middle class. This is possible by organized self-employment ministry. Amit Kumar Jha has written Truth Only Trumps 6 family drama. On paper, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 9411761704 has tries to explain on the documents. The book is in the hand, Truth Only Trumps. Tries to explain in a drama form how organized self-employment ministry and budget can solve employment problem. And employment problem can make us beautiful, because those who want employment, the below poverty line people, the above poverty line people, the human capital people, all have to understand this fact. Life is beautiful. We have to contribute each other. A parachuter who is jumping from the sky in the plane is also supported by the pilot who is moving the plane. We have to support each other, then only we can be able to make ourselves organized. Because organized self-employment ministry and budget can give us a regular income, a regular job, and it can give us a regular salary. We have to understand that organized self-employment ministry can generate this view. Political parties are also earning. The industry class as well as the political class, both are earners. We have to understand a politician earns by the credit. When people accept that, yes, equality, liberty and fraternity was required. That is the earning of a politician. That is the, like the industrial people, the way the industry tries to portray the things in a beautiful manner, that is the earning. Similarly, politicians also tries to do that. One vote was organized, did we understood? In 1947, when the Viceroy were ruling, at that time 33 crore population was there and one vote was not organized. But the politician of that time took the great effort and organized one vote. And today, all organized people, Aadhaar card is linked with that. In 1 minute, any money which is transferred from organized sector can be caught. You can see in the movies. The effort has been done. Now the second generation of politician is also requiring this. Because population has increased triple. Sufferer is the new generation. Because unemployment is grabbing the people. The family texture is tortured because regular income is not there. The control is not there. Because concentration is on regular income and the work become less, and this led to the inefficiency, and then job wise they are thrown, dismissed from the job. In that circumstances, we have to again understand, we have to generate employment faith, the political earning organized self-employment ministry and budget. We to understand that a politician has to give one time statement. It cannot change the statement. That is why I am emphasizing 30,000 above and 30,000 below, because there are 750 MPs Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, 540 plus 250, round about 750 MPs, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan round about 4,000 all over India. Now in that circumstances, a politician has to speak in democracy fluently. And at that time, 6-7 opposition lions are attacking at him. Then he is not able to control. The voter has to understand that 30,000 is the mark from where the politician will not bifurcate and industry will be free from them. But here we have to understand that requirement is of both sides, because a industrial person as well as the ministry person, both are sons and mother of same Bharat Mata. If anything is happening to the country, both are affected. So this we have to understand. Then how we can manage these affairs? By agreementing on 30,000. That according to the requirements of inflation and deflation. Because economy is volatile, living people are there, aggregate demand and aggregate supply. How much we are aggregate demanding, that much aggregate supplying, and how much it is coming, according to that we are working. But people are to, most of the people are to voter, most of them are illiterate. After 5 years the Trump is spoken, we come out from the household by the Aadhaar card, again enter. The exit poll gives 7 days before result, and election commission give the current result. Regular income is not coming, because we do not think on that basis. 1% variation, and again industrial worker and the politicians work. So here we have to understand, organized self-employment ministry and budget is required by both people, because the labor class, the voter class, all are coming in that framework. A regular income is a requirement of one and all, and by that flavor the new graduate will also get benefit, because regular income, if Bhim Rao Ambedkar worked for the downtrodden class, then the chairman and other committees which was made for the development of backward class and scheduled caste and tribal, other members were also members in that. So this we have to understand. Somehow or other we are taking the benefit. We have to understand that organized self-employment ministry can generate employment and the political status and industrial status which we all require, because we are low capital people. A small industrial people has to work hard. It is not possible that a person who has a little capital can fight big businessmen. Not possible. But what is possible is that we can be honest, sincere, and work with organized self-employment ministry and budget. Fiscal credit table gives a platform that this is not going to change until the ordinance, until the parliament and Vidhan Sabha will not interfere. And since vote bank is involved, you can understand the vote bank concept. Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, ISBN of Hindus, Puran, the government, the Varshkrit. We have been working. We are celebrating Ramnami, Krishnashtami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Deepavali, all. But we have not documented ourselves because in those days employment was not difficult. But now day by day it is becoming difficult because on one side quality is increasing, but on the other side we are not able to get assurance of employment. We are not able to judge the people, and then what happens? Whole life that people has to suffer. Why? Because the capital is low, employment is not provided, and then suffering and suffering and suffering. If it is possible, if we can make organized self-employment ministry and regular income can come, we should work together. In the days of 1940s and 42 and 45, when election commission did not got the status of controlling 33 crore electorate list, at that time it was a huge task for the Indian people and the politician in those days that how we will organize this much population. But by the mighty God and goddess blessing, they were able to complete the huge task. Did we know this? Because we are not interested in politics. We are interested in our own business. We don't want to respect the ancient people, the workers who have been working on this level, because we think that politicians are corrupt. They are just passing time. We have to think on this level. That at those days it was a Herculean task to organize this. And in those days YouTube was not there. Times of India and Hindustan Times and Tribune, these types of newspaper were there. And this was also purchased by those who were higher middle class people. One ana was also very difficult task. So we have to understand. We have to generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha. Sardapur Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, 9411761704. We have to understand and purchase truth only trumps. We have to generate trust that yes, truth only trumps is the life drama of us. We are taking birth in different family as a rich, poor and middle class. We have to work according to our family. But we can understand that the Parliament of India is our guardian. The Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, ISBN, government, constitution, Varshkrit, Durga Sapati, all are our guardian. We are Hindus, we are worshipping idol. We have to understand and respect the ideology and develop organized self-employment ministry. By self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing by constitutional amendment, 30,000 above and 30,000 below. We have to understand this thing. If we will understand these things, we can develop our nation. Because nation developed by regular income. Nation developed because we can give educational certificate. In organized self-employment ministry, we are giving educational certificate value. capital value, which is the great achievement after in 2001. From 2001 I have been trying to generate these types of political feeling among the people, and in various lectures of organized self-employment ministry I am trying to explain this. From Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 9411761704. Amit Kumar Jha. In truth only terms, since it is organized writing, I want to explain that we have to work together, generate trust and faith. All political party has to understand that now it is time to organize one income. For 30,000 above it is not the problem. Problem is for below 30,000 above. Below 30,000 above. Because confusion is there. And this confusion is unique confusion. We are not able to tolerate. And then time passes, then there is not single. What we made election commission and vote has been organized, now it is very difficult. Now it is very difficult to change the law. So what we will make in the Fiscal Credit Salary Commission of India, that will be forever. We are 6 unborn family, our ancestors all over India. Materialistically we are one. Prime Minister and Chief Ministers are looking our materialistic welfare. Opposition leader is looking our materialistic welfare. But if the document is there and if we are seeing on that, we can be able to make our employment more evergreen. Because we have to understand this fact that if we will understand our ideology, how we have to work, because our parenting is strong. Parent checks us that what is wrong and what is good. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry and budget, fiscal credit table. We have to purchase truth only terms. Then only we will be able to move with organized setup all over India. Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai, Madras, all over India, Chennai, all over India. The ideologies are different. But we have to understand that organized self-employment ministry budget is direct welfare. And for direct welfare, we have to understand that Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Durga Sapsati, Constitution of India, ISBN, Sanskrit, all are Rashtrapati Bhavan postures. When we keep in front with our national flag, it gives us a moral lesson that yes, we are carrying the generation to the glorious movement of India. We have to make organized self-employment ministry, Fiscal Credit Salary Commission of India, as we have made Election Commission of India. 130 crore population is there. We have to work in the parliament. We have to understand this thing, that we have to make ourselves strong enough. By this way, we can be able to make organized self-employment ministry. One day we were struggling for one vote for our national flag. Today we have to join together. All political parties have to understand that what is organized self-employment ministry and budget. Why one vote is required to be organized? Why our self-earning, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit should be organized? We have to generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha. We have to understand employment is the basic requirement of India. 120 to 30 crore population has reached. We have to generate one path of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which will give regular income by self-earning, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit showing. Educational certificate should be capital value. We have to understand truth only terms, and we have to work together with Amit Kumar Jha and trust in Amit Kumar Jha and fiscal credit Salary Commission of India. We have to make organized self-employed ministry. Thank you.